Good day everyone, this is Jayzar Recinto. Welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day here in Pasay City and we're outside Conrad Manila. It's actually our 9th anniversary today, so we're booked here for a much needed staycation. So we're gonna take you on a tour. Come join us. Let's go. This is Conrad Manila. As you can see, it's not your usual hotel. It's one of the newer hotels here in Manila and very modern in design. Looks really good from the outside. Let's see if it looks good on the inside as well. We're at room 6063, which is a Bayview King Deluxe room. We're gonna take you on a room tour of our room. Nice. First thing you'll notice, wala nang sabit-sabit na makeup room or do not disturb. Just press on the button if you don't want to be disturbed or if you want to makeup room, which is nice. And then this is the closet area. Good sized one, not that big. May robes, shoes, slippers, mga hangers, and then I guess this is for if you want to, tie your shoes. And this is the bathroom. Ito yung mirror niya, and then may lababo. Tapos, on your left is the toilet. Ayan. May bidet. And then, on the other side is the shower. There's the shower. Ito yung sa katawan yung shower. Not all hotels have this. Okay, so meron pa lang akala ko medyo maliit lang yung closet. Meron pa dito. So, for the shirts, may iron and ironing board. And, may papayong sila. And, for the shoes, there's also a safe. And what is this? Tawag ito. Hair dryer. Tapos, yan. I guess for the socks, underwear. This is where, and may ref. So this is like the bar station. May water. 500. Parang napasudo na. And the coffee maker. Tapos this is the bed. King size bed. Good size bed. Very comfortable. And then the desk. Work desk. And there's a couch that opens up to this view. Etong binabayaran dyan. This is why I highly recommend that you get the Bayview room. It opens up to this view. Wala nang labasan na kwarto to. Really nice. Very excited for the sunset, which Manila Bay is known for. Nice room, worth it. Kami ng wife ko, we actually prefer staycations kesa yung talagang maraming ginagawa activities. Kasi pag nagbabakasyon kami, ang main goal namin is to rest. So let's see kung dito sa Conrad Manila ma-achieve namin yung rest and relaxation na hinahanap namin. Right across Conrad Manila is yung Baywalk. So medyo memorable sa amin yan. Kukwento ko sa inyo bakit memorable to later. So this is why Conrad Manila is able to offer an amazing view kasi katapat lang niya yung Baywalk. This is the lobby area. Dito kayo mag-check-in and mag-check out. And again, it offers this great view of the Manila Bay. So this is the pool area. Located siya sa gitna ng hotel. Not that big, but looks good. Wala kaming dalang pang swimming, so we're not gonna use it. But it's good to know na may magandang pool ng Conrad if you decide to swim. Unfortunately, walang visible sunset here. Probably because cloudy. But still great view.
Wait lang. Yan na.
Anniversary dinner naman. Kumusta naman yung hina-high blood?
Kung ingay, wala na nga. Normal na eh.
Limited tuloy yung kakainin natin ngayon.
Normal na. 120 na.
One amazing thing about Conrad Manila is yung security nila. Talagang you have to go through a metal detector. Tapos may x-ray machine sila na parang yung mga nasa airport. So talagang safe na safe. You feel a sense of security, which is important if you're checking in a hotel. Good morning. Waking up to this view. Good morning. Best wishes. This is Brasserie on 3. Dito dapat yung breakfast buffet, saka yung lunch, saka dinner buffet. But we're skipping breakfast today kasi nag-buffet na kahapon. So maybe next time. It's 9 a.m. and I'm feeling a little sluggish. Parang sobrang dami kasing nakain kahapon, tapos napasobra yata yung rest and relaxation. So there's only one thing to do, and that is to hit the gym. Let's see kung maganda yung gym dito sa Conrad Manila. Ito yung gym nila. Lots of cardio machines. Yun yung first thing na notice ko. And then, may mga machines din. And weights. Not a lot of weights. Medyo light weights lang. And then, more machines. And then, there's a yoga stretching area. And mga boxing bags. Not the best fitness gym in a hotel I've seen, but this will do. It does offer a great view of the pool. Nakaka-tempt mag-swimming. I think I'm gonna do a short 3K run and then counting chest and biceps. Treadmill is nice though. Touchscreen with internet, mobile apps, TV. Nice. That was a short but nice workout. So, ganoon lang naman pagkakain, mag-gym. Kaso, after mag-gym, kakain na naman. Cycle of the chubby life. So, marirecommend ba namin yung Conrad Manila? Yes, marirecommend namin. Ang babayaran mo dito talaga yung location kasi ang ganda location niya sa MOA area lang. Tapos yung view, lalo na kung kukunin yung day view room. Tapos yung security, it's probably the most secure hotel na na-check out namin. Of course, yung ganda ng hotel. It's one of the more modern hotels here in Manila. And yung complete experience, yung overall experience mo talaga, masasabi mo na worth it talaga. So, how much ba yung room? We paid around 13,000 pesos for the room. Pero I'm gonna place a link in the description below para makita niyo yung mga updated rates saka mga discounted rates. Yan, thank you kay Sir Spencer for assisting us. Follow niyo siya sa vlog niya. Anong vlog niya, Sir?
Spencer ni 5 Vlogs.
Ayan. Thank you, Sir.
Sige ba?
We're now checking out and we thank you for joining us on our stay here at Conrad Manila. We hope you had a lot of fun tagging along with us. And if interested kayo mag-book na stay here, make sure to click on the link in the description box for the best rates. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified of future videos. Thank you for watching. You have a good day. Bye.